Today we're harvesting potatoes for the very first time, and Isaac did all of the work. I'm so proud of him. What we ended up doing was we waited for the plants to die back. If you did see, there was a green one. We ended up putting that plant back into the pot after we sifted through and picked all of our potatoes. But once the plants die off, it is ready, and we got quite a few. They were smaller, but for our first harvest, we did really well, and it was super fun to try and find them all. Please follow along for more gardening content like this.